and you should have a Call Me Now button on your website. It's free, provided by InterNACHI for free, and Inspector Website Builder put it on my website for free. And this is your client. They want the inspector to call them now. And she's like, call me. That's Mary on the phone. Hey, Mary, what's going on?
Mary Jones has requested that you call them at 303-862-2611.
I got Mary's name and I got her phone number with a click of a button. Every website should have this feature. Where do you get it? Well, InterNACHI has it for InterNACHI's vendor for website designs to embed on their clients' websites for free. You could do it as well. It takes some coding. You got to copy, you got to select your button, you have to copy the embed code, and you got to put it on your website. So you have to have that kind of access to your website. And if you don't want to do it, if that's too much, just have InterNACHI's vendor for website designs do it for you. This is a great feature. Look how fast I can talk to anybody who visits my website through chat. And look how fast I can talk to anybody who wants me to call them. Like that. This is how you make money.